everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. Welcome. Thank you so much for watching. This is going to be a little bit of a different video. I wanted to show you guys what I've been working on, which is a new online business. I wanted to start a fashion boutique for women, and well, here we are. This is going to be the entire collection that I'm going to start with. What I can start with, you know, everything on a budget or whatever. The name for my company, my business is Cela Wardrobe. So somewhere here at the bottom, you're going to be able to see the title, and you can follow on Instagram and on Facebook, and everything is linked together, so it's not hard for you to find my websites. So without further ado, let's get to it. So this first top that I wanted to show you guys is this one. This is the Rita top, and it comes in 3 different colors. So it comes in like an ivory beige color. So it comes in black and nude. And let me just pop these on so that you guys can see. So this is the nude color, as you can see. If you guys see me looking over here, I have a mirror here. It's a really cute nude, soft earth tone color, which I love these colors. And I didn't mention it, but I'm actually currently just wearing like some white shorts just to match it with the top. So now let me show you the black one. Okay, so here's the black color. It looks so cute. This is like for a really cute night out. I love this. You can pair this top with anything, with like shorts, for example, like how I'm wearing, or with cute leather pants, or like a cute skirt, shorts, you name it. It's going to look amazing. So can't wait to see you guys wear it. Okay guys, so this is the second top that I want to show you. This is the ruby top, and the material, I forgot to mention it with the Rita top, but the material is the same, and I didn't mention it with the Rita, but I wanted to tell you guys right now that the material with these tops, it feels amazing. It's cotton. The material is stretchy. It doesn't feel uncomfortable at all. It's so soft on your skin. And another feature with these tops is that they are double lined, so you're not going to be seeing the color of your bra, or like if you put on any like stickies underneath, you won't be able to see that because it's double lined. And it is amazing material. So this is the ruby top, as I mentioned, and this comes in 2 colors. And oh, another thing that I should mention is these tops come in small, medium, and large. And this color is like a beige ivory, and the other color is also black. Hey everyone, so this is the black top, the black ruby top, and it only comes in 2 colors, white and black. So
hope you guys are liking this so far. Let's move on to the next one.
Okay everyone, so now the moment a lot of you guys have been waiting for. I would like to introduce you guys to the Stella Two-Piece Set.
So I messed up on the name on this 2-piece set. It is actually called the Ella Two-Piece Set.
So I am wearing a size medium. I usually range from size small to like a size medium. It really depends, but if a clothing item runs a little bit small, then I would go for a medium, which is the case for this 2 set. It does fit me a little bit loose from here, but I did try the small, and maybe it's just me, my ass, because it did not work. So this is a size medium. It does fit me a little bit loose, but it looks amazing. Oh my god, like I cannot wait to wear this for a picnic or for a night out, like a cute date night. Like just imagine wearing this like on a cute like hot summer night, sitting out in the patio with cute lights all around and cute wedges. I can see wedges or like wedge sandals or espadrilles with this, or go out on a cute picnic and just lay out good food. So this is the Stella, yes. So this is the Stella Two-Piece Set. Okay guys, so let's keep going with the other items. So next we have this cute little number. This is going to, by the way you guys, I goofed up a little bit earlier when I was announcing this two-piece set. This two-piece set is actually the Ella two-piece, and this little number right here is the Stella Bodysuit. So sorry about that, let's try her on. Okay you guys, so this is the Stella Bodysuit. And for this bodysuit, I paired it with a just regular pant, leather pants. This is the perfect top for a cute night out. Like, I could just see already, like, wearing this for a cute night out with the girls or with your boyfriend or whoever it is. So you can wear this bodysuit like this, or you can bring down the sleeves down. You can style it like this as well, and it looks super cute, this floral set. And I'm wearing a size small in, with this, and I think it is like such a perfect fit. And it comes with small, medium, and large as well. So what do you guys think about this? I think it is so cute. I love the little flowers. Okay, so let's go on to the next one. Okay, so for the next set, we have two dresses. We have a white beige color. This style dress is called Carmen, and it only comes in two colors, and again, it comes in small, medium, and large. And let's see how these look on. Okay guys, so this is the Carmen dress in beige, and it does have, what I love about this dress, it does have like lightly pad on the boob part, which just gives your little boobs a little like hello kind of thing, but not a lot. It's lightly lined, which I love. And another thing that I love is that the straps are adjustable. Whenever there are like bras or like any other kinds of straps that are not adjustable, like girl, it just does not work for me. So this dress comes with adjustable straps, and this part down here comes with like a corset lining down as well, so it gives you like more definition to your waist. So the material is a really nice and silky feel. It does not feel rough at all, and it accentuates the curves really good like this. I wish I was taller so that you can see this booty. Like, it makes it look really good, and you can pair this. Let me show you how I can see you wearing this. Hold on. Okay, so this is not part of Stella wardrobe collection, but I wanted to show you guys to see how like I would envision wearing this dress. It's a regular white blazer, so if you guys have a white blazer in your closet, get it out and make sure that you get this dress along with it, because girl, you're gonna be so snatched with this dress. It's going to be so cute, and everyone's going to be staring, dear. This combination looks really good, and I cannot wait to wear this. So let's see how the gold one looks. Okay guys, so this is the gold Carmen dress, and I gotta tell you, I love it so much more than the white one. This just like speaks summer all around, like a cute cocktail summer dress, just slaying the night away, and everyone's going to be staring. You can wear this with like cute strappy heels, and if you're tanner than me or you got better skin color than me, you're going to look like a golden goddess. Like, everything is going to be on point with this dress, and I'm telling you, it looks amazing. Like, I really can't wait to wear this for like a cute night out, a dinner out with the girls. And like I said with the other dress, the material, satin material, it feels and it looks amazing. So can't wait for you guys to shop for this dress. This is the Carmen dress. So the next dress that I want to show you guys, part of the collection, is the Leah Dress. So this is a really cute oatmeal color. It's ruched from the sides so that it gives you like a little bit more definition to the booty as well, you know. And I can't wait to show you guys this dress. Let me go try it on. Okay guys, so this is the Leah Dress in oatmeal, and in the future I hope to have more colors because this dress is stunning. It's cotton, the material is stretchy, it's not see-through, so girl, like, you don't have to worry about those like panty lines or none of that in the back. like if you wear the right like the right panties, of course you have to wear the right type of panties with this dress. But it's ruched from the side and it looks super cute. So the Leah dress, you can style this super casual, like regular sneakers, like cute sneakers, or for like a cute night out, just like a casual night out at the bar, just for like a drink. You can wear like cute strappy heels and you'll look amazing with this dress. So this is the Leah dress. Sadly, this is the only color that I have for you guys, but I promise if you guys love this dress, if I get good feedback from you guys, there's going to be more colors coming up soon. I hope so. I pray for that. And we'll go from there, okay? So once again, this is the Leah dress. Okay, so next up, there's two pieces that are two pieces. And I'm so excited to show you guys what these are. And these are, this two-piece set is the Tina two-piece lounge set. And this is in the color ivory, and let's go ahead and see these on. Okay guys, so this is the Tina two-piece lounge set. It is the most comfortable thing I think I've ever worn. The material is so soft, but it's not just soft on the outside. It's the fuzzy material type on the inside, and it feels amazing, but it also looks amazing. You can see the short that it comes with. And what I love about this set is that the top comes with a stretchy band, so you can move it up and down to however the liking of the crop top feel that you're comfortable with. But for me, for example, I like to wear it like more up. So make sure that you wear cute sneakers with this, because girl, this lounge set is the bomb. Totally up to you how you want to style it, but it looks amazing. You're going to slay inside and outdoors. So the next set that I want to show you guys is the Gina set. Yes, this one is called Tina, and then this one is called Gina. So this one is a really nice purpley tie-dye two-piece lounge set, and what I love about this is the material is the exact same from both of these. From the outside and the inside, the material feels amazing. On the inside, it feels soft. So let's go ahead and try this little number on. Okay guys, so this is the Gina two-piece set. Oh my god, I love how this feels. This feels amazing. Like, I can't wait for you guys to just feel and really see what it is that this two-piece set is all about. Not only is the color super cute, but the tie-dye part just makes it look amazing. Girl, you're going to be on trend if you wear this. What I really love about this top, adjustable latch, I guess I can say, and you can make it tighter if you want, or if you don't like it that tight, you can just loosen it up and it'll fit looser. But for me, for example, the way I would like to style this is to make it tighter, so that you can show a little bit of like ab work if you want, like some tummy. This is amazing, and it feels, I can't say it enough, but it feels amazing, literally, trust me. So I've already shown you, for the most part, all of the collection except for one more piece. I am so excited to show you guys this piece because it is probably one of the best pieces that I have from this collection, and I cannot wait to show you guys. So let's just go ahead and get to it, right? And here it is. It comes with a jacket. So yes, it's not just a two-piece, but it is a three-piece set, and it all comes together, top, bottom, and jacket. So girl, so this color is in a mauve color, and I love it so much. It looks so good. Let me show you what the back looks like of the jacket. So it has like a little meshy material down here. You can see it's very breathable. The material of this honeycomb style is not see-through. It's not very see-through as you would with like other types of leggings. Like the material is amazing. It's sturdy, like it's washable, it's breathable. It just feels really good. You're going to look good at the gym wearing this, or any other activities that you would like to go do outdoors, indoors at the gym. However it is, you're going to look amazing. You're going to be the spotlight at the gym It doesn't matter where you are, if you wear this, you're going to be the spotlight everywhere. You're going to look snatched, sis, no matter where it is that you're gonna go. This set looks amazing. You're going to look and feel great wearing this. This is pretty much it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video where I showed you the very first collection of Stella wardrobe. And I hope that, you know, I keep going from here and keep growing more so that I can be getting more items for you guys. So I would really definitely love your support. If you guys enjoyed this video or any of my other videos, please give me a thumbs up, a like, a comment, and more importantly, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you liked this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye! Something that I didn't mention, so make sure that you follow Stella Wardrobe on Instagram. It's at Stella Wardrobe. The website is going to be www.stellawardrobe.com. You can also go ahead and find us on Facebook. And while you're at it, why don't you go ahead and follow my Instagram as well at Mary_. Anyway, it's going to be down here somewhere on the screen. So make sure that you follow, you like, you subscribe, all of that jazz. So thank you guys again for watching. Bye!